Hi everybody, it's Jen with Caketastic Cakes, and I'm going to show you how to make a fruit salad, not a cake. But it's super easy, delicious, and not heavily based on melon, which I prefer. You're going to do two cups of everything. So 2 cups of grapes cut in half and just dump them in your bowl. Next, add 2 cups of strawberries. And when you add your strawberries, make sure you cut them up small. You don't want big chunks of anything. You want a nice mix of everything about the same size. And this can be a little bit more pricey of a fruit salad. So do it in the summer when everything is in and fresh and ready to go, and you'll be able to save a little money with it too. I have peaches here. So again, just chop up 2 cups of peaches. Make sure you have nice small bite sizes. You don't want giant pieces of anything. Now you're going to add 2 cups of sweet cherries. These are kind of hit or miss. They can be very expensive, but every so often they go on sale, and when they do, I grab them. Make sure you cut them in half, remove the pit, and then cut them again into quarters. So 2 cups of quartered cherries, and there you go. 1 pint of blueberries, super easy. You don't have to cut anything or measure anything, just dump it in. And I'm going to give it a little toss just so I can see how the measurements look. And oh, look at that, perfectly even because it's 2 cups of everything. So far, so good. Now for the melon. I do add watermelon just because it is my son's favorite. But that's the only melon I'm going to put in here. I've got a little melon baller. Start balling, or if you don't have it, again, start cutting it up into small little bites. And when you have your 2 cups, dump it in. And again, give it a little toss with your hands, see how it looks. And please make sure you wash your hands before you do this kind of thing. At this point, you can add a little bit of the juice from the watermelon if you want, a little bit of rum if you're old enough, whatever. You don't have to add anything, actually. There's a lot of flavor going on. Keep it in the fridge, let it sit for a little bit, and it is delicious. So enjoy this nice recipe for a nice fresh fruit salad. So thank you for watching Caketastic Cakes. I hope you enjoyed this non-cake recipe and will get some good use out of it. Check out my other videos. I've got a ton of them out there. Cakes, cookies, all kinds of stuff. So take a look. And as always, thanks for watching Caketastic Cakes.